Imagine walking into an auction house. The room is packed. Each bidder holds up a paddle, but instead of art or antiques, they're bidding on the most effective credit repair strategies ever created. That's the energy we're bringing today, because if you had to place a bid on the one method that could absolutely change your credit life, what would it be? Let's set the scene. First up on the auction block is Metro 2 compliance, a high-value favorite among aggressive credit strategists. It's a method built on the data integrity laws that furnishers and bureaus are supposed to follow. When this method works, it can lead to clean deletions without even having to prove anything was wrong, just non-compliant. The bid starts high, hands go up. Next, the spotlight swings to the 609 method. Sleek, mysterious, often misunderstood, but deadly when executed right. It's based on the right to request proof of account agreements and signatures. If the bureaus can't produce them, the account shouldn't remain. The bids are climbing. This one's a crowd favorite. Over in the corner, someone yells out a sleeper pick, furnisher method of verification letters. This one doesn't get as much love, but those who know. When a creditor reports something on your credit file, you have the right to challenge them, not just the bureaus. This method calls out the source, and sometimes the source folds faster than expected. The surprise dark horse, the debt buyer shuffle, a tactic used when a debt's been sold multiple times. With each handoff, the paper trail gets messier. Disputing each version of the same debt can create enough confusion to knock it off your report entirely. Quiet bids roll in. The pros know this one's a steal. In a room full of powerful options, the real winner is the person who understands when and how to use each strategy. Some go all in on one. The smart ones stack the deck. No matter how you play it, knowing the value of each tactic is what separates amateurs from professionals. Questions? Reach out to service@creditfixguy.com. Need a hand? Head over to creditfixguy.com.